Hello, beautiful souls. Setting the intention, manifesting the right people to come across this particular video. So, setting the intention of what you needed to know as of the moment upon stumbling this particular video. Actually, this is the second video that I will be making. I already made one. So, if it come across din sa inyo, maybe these messages are meant for you or you are aligned in my energetic frequency. So, I'm Ana Santiago, your self truth coach, intuitive mentor, and the host of Awakening Truths podcast. So without further ado, let's see ano yung kailangan yung message, guidance, confirmation, sign that you had been longing for or you had been hoping for with regards to your current situation. I'll be pulling 3 cards. Let's see. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the energies, the guidance, the answers, the messages for my dear Soul Tribe Collective, the one watching this particular video. Angel, Spirit, Universe. Okay, so at the bottom of the deck, we have here the Magician. So you are manifesting changes. You are, kumaga parang you are imagining, you are visualizing, but then again, hindi pwedeng nandito lang siya. So, kung ano yung ini-imagine mo, sa utak mo maaring mabilis yan. So, kailangan ilatag mo siya, gawan mo siya ng structure on the external. Na kung saan, the message that you are needing to hear, we have here the King of Cups. So, the more na nagiging fixated na yung idea, yung potential sa utak mo, kumbaga parang nagiging clouded na yung judgment mo na dapat mangyari to right here, right now. It needed to happen the way that I have imagined it. Kaya lang sometimes it doesn't work that way. And you are being asked to be open, magkaroon ng emotional maturity in handling the situation. So kung maaring hindi siya mangyari the way that you imagine it, maging open ka sa kung ano man yung pwedeng posibleng mangyari. Kasi sometimes we tend to have that fixed attachment to the outcome na dapat in-imagine mo siya na ganito siya dumating sa paraan kung paano mo siya imagine. Sometimes, it doesn't work that way. So, yung may plano sa atin ang Diyos, if you believe on that certain insight, kung religious ka, may plano ang Diyos. Kaya lang sometimes, we tend to have a certain plan na akala natin ito na yung magandang plano para sa atin. And the reason why we tend to get disappointed of those certain situation that didn't go our way kasi nga nagiging attached tayo dun sa idea ng outcome na gusto nating mangyari. And you are being asked to have that emotional maturity na kung hindi man mangyari yon agad-agad, it doesn't mean that you are unworthy, that you are not good enough. It doesn't mean na may mali or may kulang ka. Kaya lang, hindi pa, even though you are ready, maaring hindi pa to nakataon na dumating sa'yo. Sa'yo, siguro, you might feel that you are ready, pero you are not totally ready pa, hindi pa nakikita na prepare ka to handle whatever you are manifesting. And you are being asked to nurture yourself. Ibig sabihin nga, be open to different possibilities. So, be intuitive or kumaga, it's more into pour in yourself. Kasi you tend to pour into others eh. You tend to give too much of your time, love, and energy to other people to the extent na you are having that certain expectation na kung ano yung pinut out mo na energy to other people, ano yung binigay mo sa kanilang time, love, and respect, yun din yung makukuha mo in return. Where in reality, it doesn't work that way. Don't rely on the external factors or external reality to validate your worth and value as a certain individual. Kasi kung ano man yung matatanggap mo from other people na love, care, value, respect would only be an additional. Don't let the external reality dictate kung ano man yung magiging worth and value mo as a certain person. Kasi nga, kung ano yung matatanggap mo sa kanila is going to be the way that you are treating yourself. So, kung ano man yung ibibigay mo sa kanila, time, love, and energy, you are giving them an example kung paano nila gagawin yun sa ibang tao, pero hindi sa'yo. Na kung saan nga, yun nga, you are relying on that sense of fulfillment, sense of satisfaction sa kung ano man yung external. So, meaning to say, maring nag-iintay ka dun sa outcome na minamanifest mo at umaasa ka dun na kailan lang dadating yun saka ka magiging masaya. Kung kailan ka magkakaroon ng family, ng love life, kung kailan lang dadating si the one saka ako magiging whole and complete. No. Be whole and complete within yourself at kung ano man yung dadating sa'yo on the horizon na abundance, relationship, family dynamics will only be an additional. So you are being asked na magkaroon ng emotional maturity in handling the situation na hindi porket binigay mo sa kanila at hindi yun bumalik sa'yo the way that you wanted it to be received or the way that you had given it to them at hindi yun yung bumalik sa'yo na kind of love, care, value, respect, it doesn't mean na may kulang ka. It doesn't mean na hindi sapat yung naibigay mo. Kasi magkakaiba tayo ng love language. So maaring sa ibang tao, iba yung love language niya or na paraang naibigay nila sa'yo or napapakita na nila sa'yo yung kahalagahan mo, yung love, care, value, respect mo, pero hindi yun the same way that you had given it to them. So you had to understand, iba-iba tayo ng environment na kinalakihan. So don't expect na kung ano yung ipinut out mo na energy, ano yung in-spend mo na time, love, and energy to other people is the same way that you're going to receive it from them. No. So para magkaroon ng equilibrium, ng balance, so instead na you are waiting for that reciprocation, waiting for that appreciation from the external, you had to be the first one to appreciate yourself first. Find that sense of fulfillment, satisfaction, contentment within yourself. And whatever you're going to receive from the external will only be an additional. So this is what I got for you. So remember, readings are only guidance. Readings are fluid energies, change from time to time. You have your own free will on your decisions and your actions. So if interesado ka to dive deep with this certain reading or concern, kindly click the link on my bio or kindly go sa calendly.com/align with Anna for you to book a tarot session with me, or you can message me in Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page, Soul Tribe by Anna or Soul Tribe by Anna Santiago with the word tarot or your particular reading concern regarding do sa services na meron ako or inquiries pa. Or if you wanted to join my private container, the Antidote Live Your Truth one-on-one private container, kindly click the link on my bio or kindly go sa calendly.com/align with Anna for you to book a free discovery call so that we can discuss kung ano ba yung meron sa private container ko at kung ano yung inclusions niya at kung ako ba yung tamang coach for your situation. Or you can message me on Instagram or TikTok, Soul Align Coach Anna with the word truth, antidote, or your particular questions or concern. This is what I got for you. Maraming salamat. Sending you much love and light.